Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to add message button to Instagram post. Make sure to subscribe to Fix-It for more tutorials. Go to your Instagram profile. You need to make sure that your account type is a creator type or business. After you do that and set everything up, we're going to add a message button to our posts. So click on the little plus to create a new post, and now you can edit your post and add whatever you want to it. You can see various options, but unfortunately Instagram have removed the feature of adding a message button. If this tutorial helped you today, make sure to subscribe to Fix-It. Leave a comment below on what you want to see next.